Okay, so today we're gonna switch it up and I'm gonna be showing you how to do a makeup look. So let's get into it. First things first is lip gloss. So then I'm gonna color correct, and this is the one from Wet n Wild, but I got this thing like 2 years ago, so I don't even know if they still make it, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some green all over my red spots. So next I'm gonna go ahead with some primer. This is the putty primer from e.l.f. I'm gonna go ahead and just rub that in all over my face. So I do things a little different, but just stick with me, stick with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some loose powder all over my face. Okay, so then you get you some setting spray and then just spray that all over your face and then just wait till it dries. So next I'm going to do eyebrows. I got this e.l.f. pomade, and let me tell you, this is pigmented AF. So if you get this, be careful because, girl, it is pigmented. So pretty much I'm going to just line my eyebrows with the pomade, and then I'm going to just fill them in. But it doesn't really matter what it looks like because we're going to fix it with some concealer in a little bit. I know your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters or whatever, but mine are cousins, but it's okay. I couldn't find my spoolies, so I just got a new toothbrush and combed it and blended in the pomade, and it worked fine. So I'm going to use this foundation from Wet n Wild. This was my first time using this foundation, and it was okay. It's not really the full coverage that I wanted, but it got the job done. So I'm going to just put some on the back of my hand, give me a little brush, and then I'm going to just carve out these brows. So when you carve out your brows, do not forget to blend in the product, okay? Blend it in. Blend it all the way down to your eye. Just blend it, okay? Okay, boom, brows are done. Good, great, looking good. So next, I have hyperpigmentation on my eyelids. So I'm gonna go in with this color corrector in white and put the white all over my eyelids. And then I'm gonna put foundation over it. Now I'm gonna set my eyelids and I'm gonna just use some translucent powder. Yeah, so just pack that on there, and then we're gonna start with eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate palette today, and then this is just an e.l.f. blending brush. I'm going to start out with this yellow color and then just go to town with that color. Just keep going until you get the color that you like. So it's going to be a lot of blending, but this is just a plain blending brush. I don't even know where the brush is from, probably Walmart. But anyways, just go ahead and take a plain brush and just blend that in. Make sure there's no harsh lines. And then I went in with the yellow again with this brush and just went in the crease a lot. I'm sorry that I didn't show it really well, but right now I'm using the top right red color, and I'm just putting that all in the crease. So this is a plain Wet n Wild brush. You can actually get these at the Dollar Tree and they work really well. So I'm going to just blend everything in together. Make sure there's no harsh lines. I try to tell you guys it's a lot of blending. Now I'm using both the yellow colors because the pigment wasn't what I wanted. So I'm just going to go into those colors and add some more. Because, you know, sometimes you just got to add some more. So now I'm going into both of these red colors and then just going into the crease with those two colors. So now I'm taking the white from the Color Correct palette that I used earlier and just putting it on the center of my eye. This is going to give it like a halo effect and it's going to look really pretty. So now I'm going to get this gold highlight from Wet n Wild and put it on my lid. And it really pops where I put the white and it just looks really pretty. Okay, foundation time. So go ahead and put a whole bunch of dots all over your face, just like that. And then this is a e.l.f. blending brush. And then you're just going to blend all of that in. And I know some people are gonna hate this, but yes, I use my hands sometimes. Actually, most of the times I use my hands. I don't know, I just think it makes the product melt into the skin better. But yeah, right here I'm just blending out some more under my eyes and down to the neck. Don't forget the neck. So now I'm using a dual-ended contour and highlight stick from Wet n Wild. Of course, at this point they need to sponsor me. So I'm gonna put the highlight under my eyes, down my nose, on top of my lip and my forehead, and then the contour stick where the shadows are in my face, so my cheekbones, and then my forehead, and then my nose, and that's it. Okay, so now I'm just going to use the same blending brush right here. I'm just making sure all the foundation is off of it. And then I'm going to just blend everything in. Okay, so do you see what I mean about the foundation? You can still see the red underneath my eyes. And it was just making me so mad. So I added some more highlight, but that didn't really work. So if you can see the red underneath my eyes, it's because the foundation isn't as full coverage as I would like. So just a quick tip for blending out your contour, always blend upwards, never down, because then it's going to make your face look droopy. So make sure you're always blending up and not down. Okay, so my nose is looking pretty dark, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some more highlight on it, and plus you can never have enough highlight. And then I'm going to get this butter bronzer and just bronze all the places that I contoured. I have no idea where this brush is from, like no idea. But anyways, I'm gonna just bronze all the places that I contoured, including my nose. Give myself some color. And don't forget to bronze your neck too. And I'm gonna just take this e.l.f. translucent powder and pack it on all the places that I put highlight. Okay, and we just gonna let that sit and bake. And while you let it bake, you're gonna go ahead and curl your eyelashes. Well, you don't have to, but this is just what I do. So go ahead and curl them eyelashes. Make sure they're good and curly. Just like that. Okay, you look crazy, so it's time to take the powder off. Go ahead and just wipe it off with a brush. Yes, you look good. Yes, ma'am. And then go ahead and, I got the e.l.f. blush. Let me tell you, this thing pigmented. I had no idea it was so pigmented, so I put a little bit too much on, but it's okay. We just gonna go with it. Just try to blend that thing in. But yeah. Okay, so you're almost done. Go ahead, get some setting spray, set that all down, and while it's still wet, get your highlight and put it on. Let me tell you, this is going to change your makeup. Put that highlight on while your face is still a little damp, and you are going to glow, honey, okay? Look at that nose. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so now I'm just going to take that same highlight and put it right on the inner corner of my eyes, and then I'm going to put some extra on my lid too. Okay, and now you're going to go back into your eyeshadow palette, take that yellow color and put it underneath the bottom of your eye. This is going to just make it pop. It's going to look so good. So just keep on building the product until you like what you see. Okay, yes, you look good. Now it's time for mascara. This is one from CoverGirl. I don't know. I just found it laying around the house, and this is the one I used. It worked. So go ahead and just coat your eyelashes. And then it is time for the eyelashes, okay? And the eyelashes make the whole look, okay? I try to tell y'all, eyelashes will really do it for you, okay? But anyways, let's get into it. Yes, okay. This is the way it turned out. Super cute. Like, I'm feeling it. It's really cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.